I think website builders have a marketing problem. Every single one says the same thing. Build a website in minutes. Create a professional site with AI. No coding required. At this point, I don't believe any of them. So when people started talking about Framer AI, I was honestly skeptical. Could this thing really create a decent website in minutes? Or was it another AI demo that looks impressive for 30 seconds and then falls apart? So I tested it. I started with a simple idea, an AI agency landing page. I typed a short prompt, hit enter, and waited. And honestly, I was surprised. Within a few seconds, I had something that actually looked like a website. Not a wireframe, not a rough sketch. A real website with sections, headlines, buttons, and a clean design. My first thought was, okay, that's better than I expected. Then I started experimenting. A portfolio site, a SaaS product page, a startup homepage, a consultant website. Every time, Framer AI gave me something usable, not perfect, but definitely usable. And that's where I think people misunderstand this tool. Framer AI isn't replacing web designers. It's replacing the first 5 or 10 hours of work. That's a huge difference because getting started is usually the hardest part. Most people stare at a blank screen and don't know where to begin. Framer AI removes that problem completely. Now here's the part nobody tells you. The AI generated site is rarely the final site. I still changed headlines. I still adjusted sections. I still edited the copy because AI doesn't know your customers. It doesn't know your brand, and it definitely doesn't know what makes your business different. You still have to do that work. But here's the crazy part. Instead of starting from 0, you're starting from 80%. And for business owners and freelancers, that's a massive time saver. The second thing that impressed me was speed. I could test multiple ideas in one afternoon. Normally that would take days, maybe even weeks. For startup founders, that's incredibly valuable because ideas change quickly. You need to launch quickly. You need to test quickly. Framer AI makes that possible. Now, would I use it to build a massive enterprise website? Probably not. Would I use it for landing pages, MVPs, portfolios, side projects, and client mockups? Absolutely, without question. So, can Framer AI really build websites in minutes? Yes, I've seen it do it, but can it build the perfect website in minutes? No. You still need strategy, you still need good messaging, and you still need human creativity. But if your biggest problem is getting from an idea to a real website, Framer AI might be one of the fastest tools I've tested this year. And honestly, that's why so many people are suddenly paying attention to it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.